Tired of the Wither turning your meticulously built world into a cratered wasteland? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to trap this bone-chucking behemoth under the End's Bedrock portal, making the fight significantly easier. First, head to the End dimension, and locate the portal that you spawned in. Now, carefully place 3 soul sand blocks directly beneath the Bedrock portal in a shape. Make sure the center soul sand block is perfectly aligned with the center of the portal. This placement is crucial for the trap to work. Next, summon the Wither as you normally would by placing 3 Wither skeleton skulls on top of the soul sand. The Wither will spawn inside the Bedrock structure above. Because of a glitch, the Wither will become stuck within the Bedrock roof, unable to escape or move freely. This significantly limits its movement and attack range. Now, all you have to do is attack the Wither from below. Diamond swords, netherite swords, or even ranged weapons will work wonders here. Because the Wither is trapped, it can't fly around and can't cause too much destruction. Keep in mind that the Wither still poses a threat, so make sure to bring plenty of healing potions and keep an eye on your health. After a bit of persistence, the Wither will be defeated, granting you a Nether Star without turning your world into a desolate wasteland. Congratulations! You've successfully exploited a glitch to defeat the Wither with minimal effort and destruction. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.